It is.
Ready?
Hopefully.
Yeah, if you're scared, just close your eyes. This one is pretty. It's pretty. It's just a drop. That's all. It's a drop that one of us will go back to. One of us. I don't think I'm safe to watch that.
I don't want that.
I want my face together, actually. I want my face together. You don't want me to put my face yet?
I don't want my shoes to get wet. So
Look here, it comes from here into that.
On behalf of John Hammond, welcome. You are about to be transported back in time to a time when dinosaurs ruled the world. You are about to enter Jurassic Park.
Get ready. Get ready.
I have no idea if I got you all in frame.
I think you do.
So that's why I try to sit here. Like,
Because in the photo I saw it was like,
why not?
Look closely to our new baby Stegosaurus with her mother.
you think you have a taller
On the
face?
shore.
You
look,
think
dinosaur!
I think he's Stegosaurus. Yeah, Stegosaurus. That's the last. Oh, Marty, you think someone's hiding the last dinosaur?
I don't think so. I mean, I believe that it is possible that there might be one that we didn't see.
I heard that.
Because new species get discovered all the time that we haven't seen before.
I heard there's probably a lot of dinosaurs, but
Keep an eye out for our
Ocean, I'm pretty sure there's at least one.
one of them.
Because the meteor can like go down to the very bottom.
Buddy, I heard that what's the biggest snake again that used to?
The biggest snake?
Yeah,
Anaconda?
yeah, no, the one that got extinct.
All park guests, a flood warning is in effect for the Outpost B area. Your boat will proceed back to the unload area immediately.
I think we're gonna drop soon.
We're gonna go
We have a breach of the retaining fence at Outpost B. Begin Outpost B evacuation immediately. Attention all Jurassic Park guests. Stay in your boats and away from the electrified fences. Help will be on the way shortly.
Woo!
Coming.
Oh!
I think it's gonna be me. Yeah.
Hey, I just realized they changed the design of these boats. It's nicer. The boat design's different. Last time water can go into your shoes and stuff.
Yeah.
Now they're like bucketed it.
I'm getting dizzy. On the cup thingy, I thought I was gonna throw up. Yeah, when I first got in, I
You look very scared. I don't know. Your face is like, hey, raptor. Okay, a little drop, a little drop. You ready? 3, 2, 1, and whoa! That's a little drop.
Like the big drop.
Hello, raptor.
Marty, you know what we did in Japan?
Little drop. Ready? Woo! In Japan. This one, but it was worse.
Yeah. Well, it's gonna go now.
Huh?
It's gonna be like what we did in Japan.
Oh, wow! The drop is coming, Leon. Uh-oh. You see it? Marty, do you see it?
What? The drop's later on. We gotta go up first. I'm really surprised he's so good.
That one?
He's so like okay with rides. Oh.
I think
Woohoo!
something.
Not yet. Not yet.
A big drop.
Not yet.
I think a big drop now.
Now we're going. Did you see? We'll go up. This is it. she doesn't spin like this. This is the drop. Not yet, we're going up first. I don't know. Oh shoot! I'm going backwards! I don't want to go backwards! What? Oh, this is a fake one! This is a fake one.
There's another one.
There's another one. This is a fake one. I forgot there's two. Huh?
In Singapore?
No, no, no. Another one's coming.
Have you been on this before?
I don't think so. I've been to one in Japan.
It's sticky because my hands are sticky now. My hands are sticky now.
Is there another one?
Yeah, there's another jump.
Hope to see you again
Oh,
soon.
there isn't.
What? It's just that?
Rest of your day here
That's
at
boring.
Jurassic
Huh?
That's fine.
We changed it. Last time it was like,
Yeah, I remember. I don't know. It was like really.
oh, that sucked. I mean, sorry.
I thought it was gonna be
Sorry,
really
sorry.
scary.
Yeah. Wow. It's not what I thought. I thought it was gonna be like really scary.
I didn't even get that